Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how quickly you can check the serial number of this device. Okay, so at first just open the case like that, remove the left earbud, and right now I'm going to zoom in to show you where the serial number is located. I think that right now you can spot it. It's actually right here in this place under the made in China marking. Let me just grab this item. It's right here in this place. That's the serial number of our Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. Let's catch focus one more time. Yeah, I think that right now you can clearly spot that serial number. So yeah, that's where you can find it. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.